What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C Will. Today's video, man, just gonna be giving y'all a 1-year review of the 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye, man. This car has been great for me, man. Great for me, great to me this whole year, man. I actually make a year on it, I think March 14th or whatever, but it is what it is, man. I'm gonna just give y'all the good, the bad, the ugly, the mods that we currently have on the car, whatever. So yeah, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Alright, man, let me give y'all a little light cold start, man. Y'all see we got the red key for sure, man. Give y'all a little cold start right quick. Go crazy for real. Crazy. Look, people driving by staring at the whip. Yes, sir. Alright, CEEFAM, so as y'all can see, man, we got the car in the back looking crazy, bro, per usual. It's already 5:30, man. I think sunset out here in Colorado Springs is like 5:50, so I'm trying to hurry up, get this video out to y'all, man. As y'all know, I do work during the week, man, Army or whatever, so the weekends is kind of like the only time I had to really make videos for y'all. I was off today. Today's Monday the 28th, so let's get this video underway, man. So as y'all can see, man, we got the 2021 Hellcat Charger Redeye, wide body, all that good stuff, y'all. It is somewhat daytime, man. I really should have did this video whenever we had the sun out, but yeah, man. So we got the blue and purple chameleon looking color changing stripes and all that. So yeah, as a first year, man, this car has really been great to me, y'all. I haven't had any issues, dog, nothing like that with the vehicle. All right, y'all, so one thing about this car, man, it's very dependable, man. Like I said, never had no problems with it. No Hellcat whine engine noise or whatever like that, nothing crazy, man. I'm very satisfied with this car, y'all. Since I had this car, y'all, I'd probably say I had 2 oil changes, man. I know sometimes people change the oil as soon as they get the car and whatnot, change it at 2,500 miles. Me, nah. So I usually let the car tell me, hey, look, oil change due soon or whatever like that, and then it'll tell you, right? So let the car work how it's supposed to work, man. You know, some of y'all be OD with y'all cars. Me, nah, man. So like y'all see, man, the stripes, I really should have had them like put the stripes like more closer together, right? That's what I should have had them do, just so they can be more wider. But it is what it is, though, man. Lesson learned for next time. And yeah, let me know, man, should we keep this roof black, or should we take off this just like how we took off the hood and the trunk wrap and we put the stripes going along? But we'll probably keep that fin black, you know. So yeah, like I said, man, I had an oil change on this car. I think it was at 5,000 miles, and at 10,000 miles, man, I don't have no curb rash, nothing crazy like that, CEEFAM. I take care of my wheels, and I know how to drive, man. A lot of y'all out here don't know how to drive, especially whenever y'all get behind a car like this, whether it's 707 or 797. Y'all don't be knowing how to drive, man. But yeah, so what else, man? What else? Yo, as far as the maintenance on the car, man, I haven't really done too much to it besides oil changes. I did do the tires as well. So if y'all know, man, these cars come with what, 797 from the factory, all right, 305 3520s all the way around. That wasn't enough power, man. Well, it wasn't enough traction to hold all this power, right? So what I did was, like y'all seen in, I think 2 videos ago or something like that, we ended up going with, where is it at, it's somewhere on here, man. I think it's somewhere down there, whatever. But yeah, we got 315 3520s in the rear, and then we got 305s 3520s in the front. What I'm thinking about doing, y'all, is going 315s all the way around. I definitely think this car can handle it 100%. And yeah, y'all, so we do have, I'd say, what, 14,000 miles on the Redeye, y'all. I'm a firm believer, man, in if I'm paying almost $100,000 for this car, y'all, like I said, I did get it for $95,000 in Hawaii. Y'all can judge me, y'all can credit talk, money talk, man, I'm telling y'all. But look, I didn't pay $95,000 for this car, man, just to not drive it. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not 50, 60 years old. This car is not garage kept, man. Look, this is a race car, literally. So look, this car is meant to be driven, man. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, so jeez, just look at the stripes, man. I love how, like, the back of the car and stuff got all these black accents, and then you got this lightness to just lighten it all up, you know, with the stripes and stuff, man. So since we've had the car for a whole year now, man, we did end up doing, you know what, let's just start from the rear. We started with the tail light tint. You know, shout out to Lux Auto Concepts, man. Y'all need them. Go to Lux Auto Concepts, right? We did the diffuser as well, right? The diffuser look real good, man. I like this style. Some people put the reflective tape on these. Thought about putting the white, but sometimes, man, less decals on the car the better. Right? I know a lot of people put a lot of decals on their car, which I think they overdo it sometimes, right? Just keep it simple, man. The car should speak for itself, right? Almost every single time, right? So we got this bad boy right here. I think I bought this bit off eBay. I think I'm gonna have to go back to the video because I know I shouted out the company that I got them from, right? So this right was probably either eBay or I'm gonna let y'all know in the video. Then we got the Carvin 5-inch exhaust tips, man. These things really make a difference, not even as far as sound. These only make a difference as far as like looks, right? As y'all see this whole little curvature right here, it definitely takes up most of it, man. Instead of the stocks, I think the stocks was like 2.5 inch, maybe 3 inch. 3 inches me being generous. All right, so we did that. So that should take care of the rear of the car. Well, obviously, y'all, as y'all seen the new wrap, you know, it looked blue, purple, and all that stuff, man. Purple up there and look blue back here. All right, so we also did that, man, in a year's time. Got the wicker bill. I think I got the wicker bill off eBay too. I'm telling y'all, eBay, Amazon, that's like my first go-to for any mod, y'all. Go to eBay and Amazon first, man. No, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not doing none of that. All right, so boom, we got this off eBay, Amazon, or I think I got that off PS Designs. I think, like I said, I don't keep track of wherever I get everything from. We got the window tint, got that in Hawaii. Shout out to my people out there, man. For sure, for sure, for sure. What else have we done, man? What else? Like I said, we put 315s on the rear. Used to have another hood wrap and all that, but we ended up taking that off. Got this kind of headlight tint. I don't know if y'all can see it, but see that? Kind of like headlight tint. It's like a, I don't know, y'all can probably see the colors in it right now, but yeah, it's like a darker smoke type headlight tint. I really want to change this badge out. Comment down below, man, if y'all know where I can get another badge, man. I either want a red one or I don't know, probably something to go with this, but ain't no telling, bro. I'm gonna see. So I definitely want another one like this. What else? I do want a splitter, man. Comment down below, man, where can I get a splitter from? I know they do have them on eBay and Amazon, but I don't be trusting it like that, for real, right? So I definitely want to get like a body kit for it. I know it's gonna scrape like crazy, man. So comment down below if y'all know where I can get a front splitter from, because I need that. I actually want some more mud flaps. So it's weird on this car, y'all, like you would think a $100,000 car or whatever like that should come with some in the front and should come with some in the rear, man. These do not come with any in the rear, as y'all see. So yeah, I know I can get them from ZL1 add-ons or some other companies like that. I also want some side skirts as well. I just want this car, y'all, to be more beefed up. You know, I want it to look like it's 797 horsepower, right? So yeah, man. What else? As y'all see, man, we definitely got the mountains going crazy out here too in the background, man. Mountains always look crazy out here. Might have to give y'all a couple pulls going up and down the street too right quick, man. For real. And y'all comment down below, man, what kind of mods y'all want to see to the Hellcat Redeye. As far as like the engine and all that, y'all, I'm really not doing too much to the engine, man. I'm under warranty, so kind of want to keep it that way, right? This car is 2021 with, I think I got 14,000 miles on this car, man. Like I said, this car is meant to be driven. I don't play around. I'm not paying all this money to not drive this damn car. All right, so y'all, as we get underneath the hood, man, yeah, not really too much to say about this, man. I don't really clean under here too much, right? As y'all can see, CEEFAM still got that thing right there. And I do plan on getting me another air filter, another air intake, all that good stuff. That's why I'm not really tripping on it, y'all. If it look kind of like this, right, I can take it off, wipe it down, wash it, whatever like that, clean it up. All right, I did ended up adding a JLT oil catch can for sure. Definitely need that. You know what? Nah, this bit a little hot. I ain't gonna mess with it right now. But yeah, man, as far as the maintenance, man, it's really not that bad on maintenance. I don't have any new brakes yet. The car doesn't really need it. I don't race the car. I don't, you know, press on the brakes really hard on the car, man. The car is really good, y'all. So yeah, just want to give y'all a little view of the car, man. We got the mountains in the back, like I said. Look nice, bro. Jeez. But yeah, comment down below, man, where can I get another air intake from? I know people say it's either JLT if I want to get performance gains out of it, BLT, what is it, B Woody intake for if I want sound. Then there's another one too, I forgot, B Woody, and I forgot the other one, y'all. But yeah, I know 2 of those are for sound, and then JLT is the one for performance. I don't think it's gonna make the Hellcat supercharging whine like much louder, but I know it'll give me some damn gains if I want gains, right? So yeah, man, we're not adding no headers to the car. We're not getting it tuned. We're not ordering another PCM and keeping the stock tuned, avoiding the warranty, y'all. I'm not trying to do none of that. Like I said, this car is too expensive to even think about, you know, going super duper crazy, right? So yeah, man, yeah. All right, CEEFAM, so last part of the video, man, I definitely want to give y'all some kind of pulls going up and down the street right quick, man, in the car. I was gonna leave that out for a separate video. As you can see, man, we got nothing but road, nothing but opportunity, man. So I'm gonna give y'all a couple of pulls or a couple of, you know what I'm saying, and we're gonna get up out of here, man. It's starting to get a little chilly out, y'all. Got the mountains and stuff in the back, man. I'm somewhere in an undisclosed location, man. We got the dirt over there, all this construction and stuff, right? So yeah, I'm gonna do that, man, and yeah, we're gonna get up out of here. Just wanted to give y'all a little update, little video of, you know, 1 year, man, owning this car. So it's definitely been great, man. This this is the biggest purchase I've ever had in my life, CEEFAM, right? Almost $100,000. They wanted 108. Keep in mind, y'all, in Hawaii this thing was rare. Only 3 of them was in Hawaii at the time. I bought one, my homeboy bought one, then I don't know who bought the other one. So yeah, man, $95,000, and this thing has been great to me ever since, man. It's a blessing, CEEFAM, just to say that, hey, man, look, I've been in a blessed enough predicament, right, to pay on this car for a whole year now, man. Not many people can afford this. Not many people have credit, right, to be able to keep this thing for this long, right? A lot of these get repoed, don't pay the bill, don't do this, don't do that, right? So like I said, y'all, don't take nothing for granted, man. If you got it, get it, right? Sometimes you got to take that risk, right, CEEFAM? You got to, you know, jump off the porch, right? Jump off the ledge and just, you know, see what happened, man. In life, that's what it's about, man. It's about taking risks, right? Nobody got famous by not taking risks. Nobody got famous by, you know, getting yeses all the time. Sometimes it's gonna take no's, a bunch of no's, before you finally get that one yes. Then you can take off, right? So that is just me on my little pedestal, man, on my high horse, you heard me. Yeah, let's get y'all these pulls right quick, and then we're gonna hop out, man. Look, follow your boy on Instagram at CEEFAM 23 Vlogs. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, CEEFAM 23 Vlogs. We on the road to 10K, man. 10 light slight K, dog. So yeah, let's get y'all these pulls, you heard me, and then we're gonna get up out of here, man. All right, CEEFAM, now I'm finna give y'all some little light slight pulls right quick. This baby sounding good, boy. Christ, boy. This thing go crazy, yo. I'm telling you, bro. Uh-oh. Hope they don't call the cops on me right there. Christ. All right, y'all. Last one. Go ahead. Last one, y'all. Last one. And then after that, I'm out of here, bro. Because people driving too. They all over the place, bro. Last one, man. I see Buddy right there. He trying to, I don't know, he trying to leave, so. Alright, bro. Now that'll probably be it, man, before somebody try to call the cops on me on some craziness, bro. I don't want that, CEEFAM. I can't afford it, boy. No tickets, nothing crazy like that. So it was loud? Yeah.